Ever opened Houdini and felt like you just stepped into the cockpit of a spaceship? Buttons everywhere, panels popping out. And you're like, do I need a pilot's license for this thing? Don't worry. Today we're going to break down the essential panels you'll be using most of the time. Nothing fancy, no advanced stuff, just the basics to get you feeling at home. So, as you can see here, right at the top, we have the shelf tools. Think of this as Houdini's shortcut bar, a ready-made toolkit for creating objects, effects, and simulations without manually building dozens of nodes. See this row of tabs? We've got Create for geometry like boxes and spheres, Texture, Characters for rigged figures, Terrain FX, and Simple FX for quick simulations. Basically, your shortcut bar for building cool stuff fast. Watch, I'll grab Sphere, place my mouse in the viewport, hit Enter, and there it is. Flat shading? No problem. Just switch here to high quality shading. Done. Speaking of which, this big area here is called the viewport. This is your 3D stage where all the action happens. You can move around using Alt plus left click to rotate, Alt plus right click to zoom, and Alt plus middle click to pan. Lost your object? Select it and hit Space plus G to bring it right back in view. Down here, you'll see the network view. Houdini is a node-based software, meaning everything you build is connected through nodes. Each object you create sits inside a container node. Notice the little blue display flag and the green select flag? Blue controls visibility, green decides whether you can select the object. Accidentally turn one off? Click it back on, problem solved. Double-click that container, and you'll find the actual geometry node inside. On the right side here is the parameter pane. This is where you adjust properties for anything you select. Click on the sphere node, and you'll see options to change its type, radius, and subdivisions. Select the box, and you get its parameters instead. This pane is where you fine-tune everything. Toward the left side, beside the viewport, we've got the main tools. Move, rotate, scale, and select. By default, Houdini sometimes locks your selection when you use these tools. That's what this little secure selection button does. Turn it off, and you can select freely again. You can also resize and rearrange any panel by dragging these dividers. If you completely mess up the layout, go to the desktop menu in Houdini and select Reload Current Desktop, and everything will reset to the factory settings. Now, there are other panels like the animation editor, the render view, and a few mysterious ones we won't even touch today. We'll explore those in advanced stages once you've mastered these core ones. If this helped you feel less lost in Houdini's cockpit, hit subscribe. In the next video, we'll create objects from scratch with nodes and learn how they actually work in Houdini.